In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Microsoft OneNote from your computer. We'll walk through the process together, ensuring that each step is clear and that you feel confident by the end. So let's dive straight into it. To begin, we'll need to access the settings on your Windows device. You can do this easily by clicking on the Start menu. This is generally located at the bottom left corner of your screen and features the well-known Windows icon. Clicking on it will reveal a list of options from which you'll want to select Settings, often represented by a small gear icon. This is the control center for managing your device's configurations, including software management. Once inside the settings menu, look for the section labeled Apps. This area houses all the applications installed on your computer, and it's where we're going next. Click on Apps, and you'll notice a new menu appear. Focus your attention on Installed Apps, which is your next stop. This list might look overwhelming with all the applications displayed, but don't worry, we've got a couple of strategies to maneuver quickly through the crowd. You can either scroll down the list or make use of the search box at the top if you're looking for a more direct route. Type in Microsoft OneNote, and the system will filter the results, homing in on OneNote for us. Once you locate Microsoft OneNote, you'll notice an icon or an option with three dots aligned horizontally next to its name. This is what you want to click on. This action will prompt a drop-down menu presenting several options, one of which will be uninstall. Click on this uninstall button to initiate the process. However, it's common to see a confirmation prompt reaffirming whether you want to proceed with removing the application. It's a gentle double check to ensure no accidental uninstallation. In this prompt, you simply need to click on uninstall again to confirm your choice. And there you have it. OneNote will now begin the uninstallation process. Depending on your system's speed and resources, this might take a few moments. You'll receive a confirmation message once the process is completely done, and Microsoft OneNote will no longer occupy a spot on your application list. Remember, uninstalling programs you no longer use can help free up precious resources, potentially speeding up your system and keeping things running smoothly in the long run. I hope you found this guide straightforward and helpful. Thank you for tuning in, and if you have any more questions or need assistance with other applications, feel free to explore our other tutorials or comment below.